Yo, it's raining like a bitch outside. I can't go nowhere. Man,
Yeah, you better lay back down, girl.
I want to record this.
Dad and David's not here. No, don't even put it on Facebook.
Look at that raccoon.
It's dead? Oh, what if it ate that poison? They're dying.
It was in the wash machine, y'all.
Okay, go. I've never seen him jump so.
Well, anyways, it's raining outside. I have planned to go to the store today, but you know it's gonna be raining all day. Look. I was planning to walk to the store and stuff, but you know it's raining cats and dogs, and I don't want to stalk put them. Me running? Yeah. My dog. She gotta eat. I go for Tasma. He's underneath his truck. I go with my doggy. Her name is Patches. Bitch still in heat. Well, thank God it's raining, man. Stuck like Chuck. I was planning to go to the store or something, but I can't. See you later. I was gonna walk and take off. You know, I was planning to walk and take off, but you know, I had to stay inside. It's raining. I was gonna do some exercise. All right, peace, y'all.